Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. If you see me for the first time, my name is Joy. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So in today's tutorial, we're going to do a soft smoky eyeshadow. So let's go. I'm going to begin by applying my eyeshadow primer. This one is from Ben9. This eyeshadow primer will help your eyeshadow to pop. In case the eyeshadow you're using isn't that good, it's going to help it. And you can also use your concealer for this. You can use your concealer for it. But if you're using this product here by 9, just use a little and make sure you blend it so well. If you use too much of it, it's going to break your eyeshadow. I'm starting my eyeshadow application with this fluffy eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown. Yes, and I am just going in with a lighter shade of this color that I want to use. Now, if you want to do your eyeshadow, let's just say you want to create a smoky eye, a brown smoky eye, don't first go in with a very dark brown. No, don't do that. Start with a lighter brown, you build it up. It is called layering in makeup. Yes, so this is me going in with the deeper shade of this color that I'm using, the second one. The first one I used is lighter, then this one is darker. You get? So, and if you're doing your eyeshadow, please, whatever you do on one eye, go and do it on the other eye so that you won't miss your process, so that at the end of everything the two eyes are going to be identical. Okay, so yes, and don't forget to blend. Okay, blending is also the key in makeup. You have to blend everything. Then for the third shade, I'll be going in with this precise crease brush from elf cosmetics. Now I use this brush to pick those two shades I applied earlier. Yes, to create that smoky effect that I need. Okay, the two of them, I picked the two shades and then I'm using it to blend everything. And whenever you're doing your eyeshadow, please don't joke with the blending. Blend so well. And if you're doing a smoky eye, please do not miss this step. Always smudge the under eye with whatever shade you use to do that your smoky eye. It will help to bring out the effect very well. Yes, do not miss it. Don't just finish applying on the upper eye and then you will leave that place. Can you see the difference between this eye and the other one? It's so obvious. So I'm done with the eyeshadow placement. As you can see, you see that it is smoky and it is soft, very soft. So to line the eyes, I'll be making use of this dark pencil liner to line the eyes. One thing about dark liner is that it makes your eyes smaller and sharp. Don't forget to line the upper part of the eye. Take your eye up. Now, if you don't want that small layer of skin that normally appears between the natural lashes and false lashes, make sure you don't skip this step. Very important. And we are done lining. As you can see, we are done lining the eyes. This is a mascara I use always to get rid of eyeshadow fallout. Zoro mascara has been one of my best mascara, if not the best. I'm such a loyal fan. Since I started doing makeup, you will never find this missing in my box. It will always be there. Okay, moving on to my lashes. You know, lashes brings the makeup, the eye makeup together. Yes, it plays a very big important role. Yet the eye makeup is never complete without the false lashes. And this particular one is from She Lashes. It's a Nigerian brand. Yeah, see me struggling. Whenever I fix my nails, this is how I struggle to fix my lashes. Yeah, I'm done with the eyelash. And this is what a soft smoky eyeshadow looks like. And don't forget, whatever shade you use on your eyeshadow, don't forget to use it to smudge the under eye, okay? So see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys. In front of the mirror, light slow and bright, it's showing shadow, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. Tutorials that shine like stars in the night. Joy